Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island to Sandy Point, Maryland, Patapsco River including Baltimore Harbor until 6 o'clock p.m. At 4:25 p.m., Doppler radar indicated a strong thunderstorm capable of producing winds 34 knots or greater, located over Baltimore Harbor Tunnel, moving east at 5 knots. Locations impacted include Fort McHenry, Northwest Harbor, Baltimore Harbor Tunnel, Art Miller Island, 7-Foot Knoll, Dundalk Marine Terminal, Colchester Beach, Bodkin Point, Francis Scott Key Bridge, Patapsco River and Curtis Bay. And now a special weather statement from your National Weather Service. Issued at 4:13 p.m. Special weather statement. At 4:11 p.m., Doppler radar indicated a cluster of strong thunderstorms near East Berlin, moving east at 15 miles per hour. 30 miles per hour wind gusts and pea-size hail are possible with these storms. These strong thunderstorm will be near Dover and York Airport around 4:40 p.m., Spring Grove around 4:45 p.m., Weaglestown around 4:50 p.m., York, Spry and Shiloh around 5 o'clock p.m. Other locations impacted by this storm include Wellsville, Lewisberry, Penn State York, York Springs and York College of Pennsylvania. This includes the following interstates: the Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 240 and 241, and from mile markers 243 to 245. Interstate 83 from mile markers 13 to 39. Frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Lightning can strike 15 miles away from a thunderstorm. Seek a safe shelter inside a building or vehicle. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 4:45 p.m. for southwestern Frederick, southeastern Washington, north-central Loudoun, central Jefferson and east-central Berkeley counties. At 4:23 p.m., Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from near Shepherdstown to near Renton, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Charlestown, Shepherdstown, Brunswick, Ranson, Corporation of Ranson, Lovettsville, Rosemont, Harpers Ferry, Burkittsville, Halltown, Pleasantville, Kearneysville, Bolivar, Jefferson, Antietam, Brownsville, Mobile, Winter-Brenner's Cross, Petersville and Knoxville. These storms have a history of producing wind damage. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Torrential rainfall is also occurring with these storms and may lead to ponding of water on roadways. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 5 o'clock p.m. for northwestern Frederick, northeastern Washington, north-central Jefferson and east-central Berkeley counties. At 4:23 p.m., Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from Hagerstown to near St. James to near Shepherdstown, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Frederick, Hagerstown, Thurmont, Municipal Stadium, Boonesboro, Williamsport, Longmeadow, Mount Lena, Fountainhead Orchard Hills, San March, Mount Etna, Clover Hill, St. James, Wolfsville, Braddock Heights, Robinwood, Paramount Longmeadow, Smithsburg, Myersville, and Keedysville. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging winds, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road. A statement from the National Weather Service. A line of strong thunderstorms will affect western Frederick, Washington, southeastern Frederick, north-central Fauquier, Clark, city of Winchester, northwestern Loudoun, Jefferson and eastern Berkeley counties. At 4:02 p.m., a line of strong thunderstorms was along a line extending from near Wilson, Conococheague to near Stevens City and moving east at 30 miles per hour. Winds in excess of 30 miles per hour are possible with these storms. Locations impacted. And now a special weather statement from your National Weather Service. Issued at 4:34 p.m., strong thunderstorms will affect Juniata, York, Snyder, Dauphin, Lancaster, Lebanon, Perry, and Northumberland counties until 5:30 p.m. At 4:33 p.m., Doppler radar indicated several strong thunderstorms along a line extending from near Fremont to near New Buffalo, to Pembroke to Royalton to near Maytown, and moving east at 25 miles per hour. 45 miles per hour wind gusts and dime-size hail are possible with these storms. The strong thunderstorms will be near Colonial Park, Middletown, and Linglestown around 4:40 p.m. Mount Joy and Wrightsville around 4:45 p.m. Elizabeth, Townsend, Columbia, and Hummelstown around 4:50 p.m. Salungo, Landisville, Cratsterville, and Penn National Racecourse around 4:55 p.m. Mountville, Hummels, Wharf, and Lawn around 5 o'clock p.m. Hershey, Palmyra, and East Petersburg around 5:05 p.m. Other locations impacted by these storms include Edgewood, Herndon, York Haven, Gratz, and Snydertown. This includes the following interstates: the Pennsylvania Turnpike from mile markers 246 to 273, Interstate 78 from mile markers 0 to 4, Interstate 81 from mile markers 65 to 95, Interstate 83 from mile markers 43 to 50, Interstate 283 from mile markers 0 to 2. Intense rainfall is also occurring with these storms and may lead to flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. These storms may intensify, so be certain to monitor local radio and TV stations, as well as local cable TV outlets, for additional information and possible warnings from the National Weather Service.